How are you? I hope you will be fine. Today, my topic is 5 tips for maximizing your earning as a gig worker. So let's start. Uh, as the world of work continue to evolve, more people are turning to gig work as a way to make a living. Why it matters? According to recent study, 59 million Americans worked in the gig economy in 2020. Gig workers contributed as estimated $1.21 trillion to the overall economy that year. The researchers speculate that by some point this year, 52% of US labor force will have participated in the gig economy to some level. Go deeper. Gig worker, also known as freelancing or independent contracting, is a type of work arrangement where individuals are hired on a project by project basis rather than being a full-time employee. Gig workers are typically self-employed and can work for multiple clients at once, which gives them more flexibility and control over their work schedule. Example of gig workers include copywriting and editing, graphic designing, web development, consulting, and driving of ride-sharing service. In many cases, gig work can be done remotely, which means that individual can work from anywhere with the internet connection. Benefits and downsides of the gig economy. While gig work is appealing to many people that are download sites, an important one to keep in mind is that gig workers are responsible for their own taxes and benefits. Traditional employees usually have taxes with help from their paychecks and are eligible for benefits like health insurance and retirement saving plans. Gig workers, on the other hand, are responsible for paying their own taxes and don't have access to these benefits unless they purchase them on their own. Despite the lack of traditional benefits, that are many benefits, gigs workers have the flexibility to choose when and where they work, which can be a huge advantage for those who value work-life balance. They also have the freedom to choose which project they work on, which means that they can pursue work that align with the interest and skill. Gig work can also be a great way for individuals to earn extra income on the side or to transition into full-time self-employment. For many people, gig work provides a way to build a portfolio of work and develop valuable skill that can be used to pursue other opportunities in the future. Tips of earning most out of gig work. Basically 5 tips. First tip is sign up for multiple gig platforms. One of the best way to increase your earning is to sign up for multiple platforms. For example, if you have a delivery driver, consider sign up for both Uber Eats, and this allow to accept more jobs and earn more money. You can also consider working in varied industries such as copywriting during the day and doing seasonal accounting work in the evening. Second tip is take advantage of peak hour. Gig work often pay more during peak hour, such as lunchtime or dinner time. Some platforms also offer surge pricing, which means you can earn more for completing job during busy times. Most of these gigs in the service industry, whereas other industries are deadline oriented, which gives you more flexibility in terms of time or day you choose to work. Be efficient and work smarter is the third best tips. Efficiency is key when it comes to maximizing your earning as a gig worker. Use a GPS app to plan your route and save time, and try to accept jobs that are close together. Additionally, consider way to streamline your work, especially if you have employed in different industries. So fourth tip, upsell and add extra service. Many gigs platforms allow you can earn more money by offering additional service or upselling to customers. For example, if you have delivery driver, you could offer to pick up additional items with the order. If you have a pet sitter, consider offering grooming service in addition to basic pet care. Once you build trust with the company, it's easy to move literally and secure more work from them as well. Manage your finance effectively is the fifth tip. Finally, it's important to manage your finance effectively as a gig worker. Set aside money for taxes and be prepared for slow period. Consider opening a separate account for gig work to keep your finance organized. This is the gigs opportunity to enhance your business. I hope you understand this my topic. So we meet in next topic soon. Thank you.